Case back, no open racing, it's a scramble for front position. Kim Magore, Speed Admiral, showing speed on the outside, is written in the stars, then followed by Angie Wada. Next on line, Reign Supreme, then followed by Virgin Island. Around the outside, King's Treasure, running by is Lord Brian, then followed by Ingaya. As they make the first turn, Kima Gore leading by some 2.5 lengths. Right behind in second is Speed Admiral. Here comes Angie Red sneaking out in the rail. Around the outside, nice Reign Supreme. 4 lengths para back to Virgin Island. Next on line, written in the stars. Then followed by Reign Supreme. Entry number 10, King's Treasure, 2 lengths para back to Lord Brian. Arifa turn, Kima Gure leading by line. Here comes Angie Rada. Speed Admiral and around the outside, nice King. Is entry number 9, Reign Supreme as they pass the last 400 with Kima Gure leading by Lanka. Speed Admiral on the outside, running by is Angie Red, Reign Supreme as they come up towards the home turn with Kimagure leading by Lanka up. Here comes Speed Admiral with a challenge and a long shot on the outside. Kimagure, Speed Admiral on the outside, running by Angie Red, and finally Angie Red might get win this time for the final race over Kimagure and Speed Admiral.
At ayan nga po, meron tayong photo for first na inyong nakikita sa inyong TV screens right now. Huling karera na tayo pero exciting pa rin yung inyong nasaksihang karera, which is race number 13. Okay? At maya-maya, titignan natin yung ating instant replay.
Ang sinusubukan po natin maipakita sa inyo mga bayang karista ay slow-mo nung isocam. Slow-mo nung isocam. Tingnan natin.
Okay. At this point of the race, Kimagure po yung nasa gitna, nasa tabing balya, Angie Red. Ito naman si Speed Admiral na nasa kulay blue silks. Last 25 meters ng ating karera, si Kimagure pa rin. Nagpapanabayan na yung ating tatlong kalahok. 2, 3, and 6.
Medyo lumalampas na dito yung sa tabing balya na si Angie Red.
Angie Red. Tapos Kimagure uli. Ito na po, mag-finish line tayo. Oh! Naku, pakahirap naman desisyon na ito. Nangangamoy.
Number 4, getting up for the 4th spot, Lord Brian.
Tapos Air the Truth, ano?
Air the Truth.
Isa pa?